The Selling Sunset stars looked so happy together as they stepped out for the Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings red carpet premiere. Chrishell Stause, 40, and Jason Oppenheim, 44, are red carpet official. Nearly 3 weeks after confirming their romance, the Selling Sunset stars dressed to the nines for Marvel's Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings red carpet premiere in Los Angeles on Monday, August 16. The star-studded occasion marked the pair's first public event together as a couple, and they looked so in love posing on the carpet for photos. Chrishell and Jason both looked amazing for their night out. The former Dancing with the Stars contestant was dressed in a black strapless mini dress that she accompanied with matching silver earrings and heels. Meanwhile, her real estate beau opted to wear a fancy navy suit with a white button-up dress shirt and brown dress shoes. The lovebirds showed off their big smiles while posing together on the red carpet celebrating the highly anticipated Marvel flick. The Netflix reality star's red carpet debut comes nearly 3 weeks after they confirmed their new relationship on Instagram. On July 28, Chrishell shared a series of pics from her Italian vacation with her new boyfriend and his twin brother Brett, Brett's girlfriend Gina Louise, and fellow Selling Sunset stars Mary Fitzgerald and husband Ramon Bonnet. In one of the PDA-packed photos taken in Capri, Italy, Jason could be seen kissing Chrishell's neck. Related gallery. Chrishell Stause, see photos of the Selling Sunset star. Since going public as a couple, Chrishell and Jason have put their romance on full display on social media. The pair recently took another vacation together, this time to Mykonos, Greece, where they packed on some PDA during a workout. In a short Instagram clip, Chrishell was all smiles while laying on top of Jason while he was doing push-ups, poolside. She captioned the post, "Being tough on the boss," along with a wink emoji. Previously, Chrishell dated Dancing with the Stars pro Kaomat Sepp, 31, but the two called it quits in late February 2021 after a 3-month romance. Prior to that, Chrishell split from her This Is Us star husband Justin Hartley in November 2019. Justin blindsided Chrishell when he filed for divorce, and the drama was all documented on Season 3 of Selling Sunset.